Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video, I will give you information regarding very important topics for the preparation of entrance exam for Master of Public Health MPH and Master of Hospital Administration MHA for various university and institutes like ICMR Bhubaneswar, Common University Entrance Test CUT PG, AIMS Raipur, AIMS Rishikesh, AIMS Jodhpur, JIPMER Puducherry, Christian Medical College Vellore, IIPH, NIMHANS Bangalore, Lucknow University, Pune University, Rajasthan University of Health Sciences, and for all other university and institutes which conducts Master of Public Health MPH, Master of Hospital Administration MHA and other competitive exams, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes, Master of Public Health, Master of Hospital Administration and other competitive exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. So online or offline coaching and important questions PDF notes, WhatsApp number is 9411513974. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. So here questions are related to air. First topic is air, and first point is anemometer measures. Anemometer measures. So anemometer measures air velocity. For the measurement of air velocity, we use anemometer. Next is Kata thermometer measures. Kata thermometer measures what? So its answer is low air velocity. Kata thermometer is used to measure low air velocity, earlier cooling power of air. So for measuring low air velocity, earlier cooling power of air, we use Kata thermometer. Next is maximum allowable sweet rate. What is the maximum allowable sweet rate? So maximum allowable sweet rate is 4.5 liters per 4 hours. Maximum allowable sweet rate 4.5 liters per 4 hours. So maximum allowable sweet rate is 4.5 liter per 4 hours. Next is recommended air changes hour in a living room. Recommended air changes hour in a living room. Answer is 2 to 3. So recommended air changes hour in a living room is 2 to 3. Next point, cooling curve of body follows dash shape. Cooling curve of body follows dash shape. Correct answer is sigmoid shape. So cooling curve of body follows sigmoid shape. Cooling curve of body follows sigmoid shape. Next is settle plate culture method is used to assess. Settle plate culture method is used to assess. Correct answer is air quality in hospital wards, operation theatres. So settle plate culture method is used to assess air quality in hospital wards, operation theatres. Next is acceptable level for physical comfort. What is acceptable level for physical comfort? Answer is corrected effective temperature 77 to 80 degree Fahrenheit. So acceptable level for physical comfort is corrected effective temperature 77 to 80 degree Fahrenheit. Next is carbon dioxide in air is measured by. Carbon dioxide in air is measured by. Correct answer is Kepler test. So carbon dioxide in air is measured by Kepler test. Kepler test is used to measure carbon dioxide in air. Next is maximum contribution to atmospheric air. Answer is nitrogen. So maximum contribution to atmospheric pressure air is nitrogen. Next topics is sound. So here questions are related to sound. First is maximum tolerable sound level to human ears. What is the maximum tolerable sound level to human ears? Human ears. So maximum tolerable sound level to human ears is, its answer is 85 decibel. Maximum tolerable sound level to human ears is 85 decibel. Next question is tolerable sound level for factory workers. What is the tolerable sound level for factory workers? Its answer is 90 decibels. Tolerable sound level for factory workers is 90 decibels. Next is pain in the air occurs at. Pain in the air occurs at. When pain in the air occurs, its answer is 140 decibel. So pain in the air occurs at 140 decibel. At 140 decibel, pain in the air occurs. Next is repeated exposure to dash can cause permanent deafness. Repeated exposure to dash can cause permanent deafness. Answer is 100 decibel. So repeated exposure to what can cause permanent deafness? Answer is 100 decibel. Repeated exposure to 100 decibel can cause permanent deafness. Next is acceptable noise level in industries. What is acceptable noise level in industries? Correct answer is 40 to 60 decibel. So acceptable noise level in industries is 40 to 60 decibel. Next topic is light. So here questions are related to light. First is daylight factor in living room should be. Daylight factor in living room should be. Answer is more than 8%. So daylight factor in living room should be more than 8%. Next is visual spectrum of light. Visual spectrum of light. Answer is 300 to 700 nautical miles. So visual spectrum of light is 300 to 700 nautical miles. Next topic is radiation. So here questions are related to radiation. State with highest solar radiation received in India. Answer is Rajasthan. So which state with highest solar radiation received in India? Answer is Rajasthan. So Indian state with the highest solar radiation is Rajasthan. Next is thickness of lead apron of prevent radiation. Thickness of lead apron of prevent radiation. Answer is 0.5 mm. So thickness of lead apron of prevent radiation is 0.5 mm. Next is endogenous radiation includes. Endogenous radiation includes. Answer is carbon 14, potassium 40, rubidium 87, strontium 90. So endogenous radiation includes carbon 14, potassium 40, rubidium 87, strontium 90. Next topic is waste disposal. So questions are related to waste disposal. First is most satisfactory method of refuse disposal. Most satisfactory method of refuse disposal. Answer is sanitary landfill controlled tipping. So most satisfactory method of refuse disposal is sanitary landfill / controlled tipping. Next is depth of water seal in sanitary latrine is. Depth of water seal in sanitary latrine is. Answer is 2 cm. So depth of water seal in sanitary latrine is 2 cm. Sillage. Next question. Sillage consists of. So what does sillage consist of? Answer is waste from kitchen. Waste water from kitchen. So sillage consists of waste water from kitchen. So in sillage includes wastewater from kitchen. Next is biochemical oxygen demand is calculated to know. Answer is organic waste. So biochemical oxygen demand is calculated to know organic waste. So biochemical oxygen demand is calculated to know organic waste. By biochemical oxygen demand we can calculate organic waste. Next is sillage in rural area is disposed by. Correct answer is gobar gas plant. So sillage in rural area is disposed by gobar gas plant. So next topic is entomology. Questions are related to entomology. So here first question is best approach for arthropod control. What is best approach for arthropod control? Answer is environmental control. So best approach for arthropod control is environmental control. Environmental control is the best approach for arthropod control. Next is tiger mosquito. What is tiger mosquito? Answer is Aedes mosquito. Aedes mosquito is known as tiger mosquito. Next is Paris green is what is Paris green? Answer is stomach pain poison. So Paris green is a stomach poison. Paris green is known as stomach poison. Next is pyrethrum is what is pyrethrum? Answer is space spray. So pyrethrum is a space spray. Next point is Anopheles larva rest. Anopheles larva rest. Answer is parallel to under surface water. So Anopheles larva rest parallel to under surface water. Next is question is Aedes larva breed in. Where does Aedes larva breed? Answer is artificial collection of water. So Aedes larva breed in artificial collection of water. Next question is mite transmits rickettsial diseases. Mite transmits rickettsial diseases. Answer is scrub typhus or pox. So mite transmits rickettsial diseases which are known as scrub typhus or pox. Next is drug of choice for scabies. Drug of choice for scabies. Answer is 5% permethrin. So drug of choice for scabies 5% permethrin. Next is number of holes per square inch in mosquito net. Number of holes per inch square in mosquito net. Answer is more than 150. So number of holes per square inch in mosquito net is more than 150. Next is mosquito transmitting dengue hemorrhagic fever. Mosquito transmitting dengue hemorrhagic fever. Answer is Aedes aegypti. So mosquito transmitting dengue hemorrhagic fever is known as Aedes aegypti. So mosquito which transmit dengue hemorrhagic fever is Aedes aegypti. Next is Breteuil index is used for. Breteuil index is used for. Answer is Aedes aegypti. So Breteuil index is used for Aedes aegypti. Next is cyclopropagative transmission is shown by. Cyclopropagative transmission is shown by. Answer is Plasmodium malaria. So cyclopropagative transmission is shown by Plasmodium, that is malaria. Next is DDT mechanism of action. DDT mechanism of action is contact poison. So DDT mechanism of action is contact poison. Next is number of scabies mites per person body. Answer is 10 to 15. So number of scabies mites per person body. Correct answer is 10 to 15. Next is scabies is transmitted by. Scabies is transmitted by. Answer is itch mite. So scabies is transmitted by itch mite. Next question is disease transmitted globally by Anopheles, Culex and Aedes. Answer is filariasis. Disease transmitted globally by Anopheles, Culex and Aedes. Correct answer is filariasis. So filariasis is the disease transmitted globally by Anopheles, Culex and Aedes. Next question, percentage of para isomer in DDT is. Percentage of para isomer in DDT is. Correct answer is 70 to 80%. Percentage of para isomer in DDT is. Correct answer is 70 to 80%. Next question, black fly transmits. Black fly transmits. Correct answer is onchocerciasis. So black fly transmits onchocerciasis. Onchocerciasis is transmitted by black fly. Next question is most prevalent mosquito-borne viral disease in India. Which is most prevalent mosquito-borne viral disease in India? Answer is dengue fever. So most prevalent mosquito-borne viral disease in India is dengue fever. Dengue fever is the most prevalent mosquito-borne viral disease in India. Next question is Paris green is used to eliminate the larva of. Paris green is used to eliminate the larva of. Answer is anaphyllene. So Paris green is used to eliminate the larva of anaphyllene. Next question is vector of Bancropian filariasis. What is the vector of Bancropian filariasis? Answer is Culex quinquefasciatus C. fatigans. Next question is dengue and chikungunya fever is transmitted by. Correct answer is Aedes aegypti. So dengue and chikungunya fever is transmitted by Aedes aegypti. Next question is nuisance mosquito is. Which mosquito is known as nuisance mosquito? Answer is Culex. So Culex is known as nuisance mosquito. Next question is KFD is transmitted by. KFD is transmitted by. Answer is Haemophilus spingera hard tick. So KFD is transmitted by Haemophilus spingera hard tick. So next question is Aedes aegypti Buteo index for control of yellow fever. Answer is less than 1%. So Aedes aegypti Buteo index for control of yellow fever is less than 1%. Next question, mineral oils are used in mosquito control measures as a. Answer is larvicide. Next question is Anopheles species MC found in coastal regions. Answer is Anstaphensi and Sundaceus. Next question is fight range of sandfly. Answer is 50 yards. So fight range of sandfly is 50 yards. Next question is number of holes square inch of a standard mosquito net. So number of holes or square inch of a standard mosquito net. Answer is more than 150. Next question is mosquito net hole diameter is answer is 0.0475 inch. So mosquito net hole diameter is 0.0475 inch. Next question is cigar shaped eggs are seen in dash mosquito. Cigar shaped eggs are seen in dash mosquito. Answer is Aedes. Cigar shaped eggs are seen in Aedes mosquito. Next question is trans-stadial transmission is seen in. Answer is ticks. So trans-stadial transmission is seen in ticks. Next question, household insecticide used for malaria. Answer is malathion. Next question, fish is used for larva control of malaria. Fish is used for larva control of malaria. Answer is Gumbasia, Labister, Picilia. So in this video, information regarding very important topics for entrance exam for the preparation of Master of Public Health MPH and Master of Hospital Administration MHA has been given, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes public health and hospital administration entrance exams like ICMR, CVT, PG, AIMS, JIPMER, CMC, Vellore, IIPH, NIMHANS Bangalore, Lucknow University, Pune University, and for this if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. Thanks for watching this video.